Okay, so here are some tools which I prefer and use for best infographic creation without any technical skills or graphical designing knowledge. And you know what is the best part is? This website all are totally free of cost. I have also provided this website links as a resource. You can download it easily and start creating your own infographics from today. First tool I have in my list is Canva. Canva simplified graphic designing tool website uses a drag and drop format and provides access to a millions photographers, vectors, graphics and fonts. It is used by non-designers as well as professionals. Second tool in my list is Adobe Spark. Create your own infographics for free with Adobe Spark. Make custom infographics in minutes, no design skills needed. Third one, Easily. Web-based infographic tool offers a range of templates to start you off, all of which are easily customizable. You get access to a library of things like arrows, shapes and connector lines, and you can customize the text with different fonts, colors, text styles and sizes. The tool also let you upload your own graphics and position them with one touch. Fourth one, Infogram. Infogram is a great free tool with a wide variety of graphs, charts, maps, as well as the ability to upload pictures and videos to create cool infographics. Last one, PictoChart. Design tools for creating infographics. Here are some more tools I have listed which I found useful for you. These tools are also free of cost and loaded with features. Animaker. Animaker is a tool dedicated to the creation of video infographics, and the company says its service is exactly 10 times better than other online animation video editing software. Google Charts. Google Charts tools are powerful, simple to use and free. You can choose from a variety of charts and configure an extensive set of options to perfectly match the look and feel of your website. By connecting your data in real time, Google Chart is perfect infographic generator for your website. Snapper. Snapper is a graphical designing tool that includes a free infographic maker. This one is aimed at non-designers. Funky, as well as a photo editor and collage maker. Funky includes an infographic tool. Select a template, customize your theme with images and icons, and personalize the infographic by adjusting the text, colors and layout. Then simply save and export. Easy peasy. Bitable. Bitable gives users the chance to create high quality videos infographics for free that can be shared on Twitter, Facebook and YouTube. Vinage. Create infographics from templates. Worldly. Build word clouds from tags and text. Visualize.me. Create data driven resumes. Here are some examples of my favorite infographics, so have a look.